Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about the scholarship and you can say fellowship at Indonesia. This scholarship is from Universitas Indonesia about Decolonizing Humanities Fellowship. For the session 2027 for international students, we'll show the full process for this and how is the process to apply. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. To also follow us on Instagram page, our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarship related content is published there. The link for this fellowship in Indonesia is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or kashmirlook.com. You can click on them and it will take you to our website here. Once you reach this website, fullscholarships.net, you can apply for this particular scholarship. Host country is Indonesia. Host institution is University of Indonesia. And fellowship name is Decolonizing Humanities Fellowship 2027, funded by the Greta Henkel Stephen. Duration for this fellowship will be 6 to 12 months. Eligible nationalities, scholars from Africa, Southeast Asia, excluding Indonesia. Deadline is 30th of April 2026, so you should apply within that deadline. So you can see the subjects: anthropology, history, philosophy, cultural studies, humanities, and social sciences. Benefits of this fellowship will be monthly stipend for living expenses, international travel reimbursement, visa processing support, research material and funding, family allowances, travel support for children under 18, and those benefits allow fellows to focus on their research and not to worry about anything. Then eligibility criteria: you must be a mid-career scholar, be affiliated with any academic institution. You must be a student at the moment you are applying for this, and there are certain activities that you have to fulfill while being selected for this. And application steps: you have to prepare and gather documents and then submit within the deadline, that's 30th of April 2026. So let's now start the application process. Click on this link here to start the application. And once you click on that, you can see the official website. University of Indonesia hosted this Decolonizing Humanities Fellowship. Greta Henkel Stephen Foundation is offering this fellowship, and you can see details what they are expecting, and application process is here. Scholars interested in participating in the Decolonizing Humanities Fellowship are invited to submit an expression of interest outlining their academic background and proposed research focus. Applications should demonstrate a strong commitment to advancing decolonial approaches in humanities and to foster scholarly collaborations across the global south. So applicants are required to submit their application materials via email at maria.rosary11@ui.ac.id with subject line application Decolonizing Humanities Fellowship and full name. So what you should attach in the document at email: so CV, your research proposal maximum of 5 pages, and as you can say a writing sample, or you can say a motivation letter that you have, or one recent publication, how you have produced your publication. So quality of publication will be checked there. Selection process will be simple based on the community, and a review agency will be there who will be having this. So that's the simple process you have to go through, and this should be done within the 30th of April 2026. You should submit the email attached with these documents to this email here, and subject line should be this. That's the simple process. I hope you enjoyed the session. There is no lengthy process involved here, and you should be a scholar to, or you can say a student, enrolled student at any of the home institutions to enroll for this opportunity. That's it. Simple process will be bringing you more opportunities, detailed opportunities. This one was the simplest because there is a deadline coming soon at 30th of April. So we had to quickly bring this in front of you so that you can apply for this particular scholarship or fellowship. So this can be an exchange program for you as well, and you should avail this. So that's it. I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.